Okay, so for this week's badge, I just decided to do the collaboration, and I decided to do a Jamboard, a Google Jamboard, and I would also use it in my online lesson module. So my online lesson module, I would have the kids watch this video real quick before starting my lesson. And then on the next slide, I would have them do this Jamboard activity. So when they click on the Jamboard activity, it would bring them to this. And they would answer the following questions. It says, what did you learn? And one student might say, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles, because the video is about shapes. And I put a little instructions. It says respond using a post-it note, and I provided an example for you. So this is an example of what a kid might say. And then the next one, it says, what do you have questions about? So a student might say, what is defining attributes? Which is one of the big topics in this lesson that they'll be learning. And then my next question is, give an example of an object and tell us what shape it is. And so they'll be at home doing this, so they could look around the house for something. And I think it would give them make them even more creative and think of a tissue box is a cube, or whatever else they might have around at home, a soup can might be a cylinder or something like that. And then my fourth question is, give us an example of a 2D and a 3D shape. So a student might answer a 2D shape is a square, and a 3D shape is a cube. So it helps me as a teacher know if they're understanding the difference between a 2D and a 3D. And these questions just help me see if they actually watched the video and understood it, and what questions that they still might have that I can help them with, or what they need in the future. So, and after they're respond, they can also see other students what they respond, so it helps create new ideas and helps them better understand it as well.